Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write to AliExpress, whether you need to contact customer service or a seller. Let's get started. First, open up the AliExpress app. Make sure you are logged into your account first. Once you are in the home page, tap onto your account settings. Here you will be able to see Help Center. Tap on to open the customer service option. From here, scroll down until you see Online Service option. Tap on it and the message box will be popping up. In the message box, write an inquiry or issue clearly. If it's about a delayed order, damaged item or something else, make sure to provide as many details as possible like your order number, the problem, and your relevant photos. Once your message is ready, tap send or submit. Both customer service and seller should respond within a reasonable time. You will receive a notification when you get a reply. If you don't hear back in a couple of days, don't hesitate to follow up. And that's it. Now you know how to easily write to AliExpress for help or get in touch with a seller. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.